Right now your entire experience of life is limited to seeing, hearing, smelling, tasting and touching. This is the way you know there is a world. This is the way you know that you are existing right now. See, if you just doze a little bit, first thing is, I will disappear. In your experience, yes or no? A little more means everybody will disappear. Then you also disappear, isn't it? Yes or no? See, you're alive, heart is beating, even brain is functioning, everything is functioning, but in your experience there is no you, there is no world, there is nobody, isn't it? All that's happened is the five sense organs shut down, that's all. So right now your whole experience of life is only through these five senses. So these five senses in the very nature of things can only experience that which is physical. See, you can see only those things which actually stop light, they must be opaque, not only physical, even the air is physical, but you don't see it. Simply because only if it's opaque, if it stops light, only then you see this. Suppose my hand doesn't stop light, you don't see it, isn't it? Do you see my other two hands? No, because they don't stop light. Anything that does not stop light, you don't see. But isn't air vital to your life? Hello? Just because you don't see it, can we dismiss it? Is it very important? Vital. Similarly, the life that you are is not visible to these two eyes, but it is the most vital thing, isn't it? Spiritual process does not mean you are going to invent something. Always, spirituality was referred to as realization. Realization means what? Something that has always been there and I was stupid enough not to see it, today I saw it. I did not invent anything, I did not create anything. Something that was always there, I saw today. Though it is all the time here, I did not see it, only today I saw. This is realization. This is not an attainment, this is not an acquisition, this is not something else. This is just realization. So, realization does not change any dynamics of life. It's just the way it is. But because you realized, suddenly you are empowered. Just because we realized the planet is round at one time, it has empowered us in so many ways, isn't it so? If we thought it's flat, which as we did some time ago, no, but we just realized we didn't make it round. It was always round, but we thought it's flat. But one day we realized it's round, how it's changed our life, isn't it? Similarly, spiritual process means just this, you're not doing anything. You just started seeing everything the way it is, rather than imagining it some other way. And seeing things the way they are is the biggest empowerment you can have, isn't it? In your life, whether you want to engineer or you want to run commerce or you want to do biology, first and foremost thing is, you see it the way it is, isn't it? If you don't see it the way it is, everything that you do will be wrong, not one thing. Everything that you do will be wrong. Suppose we thought the earth is flat and made 1,000 calculations about this planet. Everything, not one thing, everything will be wrong, isn't it so? So without realization, not one thing, everything is wrong with life.